First question, for an n-channel JFET, IDSS is equal to 8.7 milliamps, VP is equal to minus 3 volt, VGS is equal to minus 1 volt. Find the value of ID and find the current ID. Second question, the pinch off voltage of a JFET is 5 volt. Its cutoff voltage is, and find the answer. The pinch off voltage of a JFET is 5 volt. Its cutoff voltage is. Third question, find VDS for ID is equal to 4 milliamps. And for the circuit, find VDS for ID is equal to 4 milliamps. Fourth question, for a JFET, when VDS is increased beyond the pinch off voltage, the drain current, and find the correct answer from A, B, C, D. Fifth question, an n-channel JFET has IDSS is equal to 1 milliamps and BP is equal to minus 5 volt. Its maximum transconductance is. And using the formula, find maximum transconductance. Sixth question, if properly biased JFET acts as. If properly biased JFET acts as, and find the answer from A, B, C, D. Seventh question, the resistance of JFET biased in the ohmic region is controlled by. The resistance of JFET biased in ohmic region is controlled by. Eighth question, what value of RS is required for the circuit below for setting up an approximate midpoint bias? The JFET parameters are IDSS is equal to 16 milliamps, VGS off is equal to minus 8 volt and VD is equal to half VDD. IDSS is equal to 16 milliamps, VGS off is equal to minus 8 volt and VD is equal to half VDD. From this parameter, find RS value. Ninth question, the transconductance GM of a JFET is equal to. The transconductance GM of a JFET is equal to, find the answer, find the equation of GM from A, B, C, D. 10th question, find the value of VDS assuming centrally located Q point and 0 gate current. And for this circuit, find the value of VDS assuming centrally located Q point and 0 gate current. 11th question, for small values of drain to source voltage, JFET behaves like a resistor or constant current source, constant voltage source or negative resistance. Find the answer from A, B, C, D. And 12th question, a JFET can be cut off with the help of VGS, VDS, VDG or VDD. Find the correct one. A JFET can be cut off with the help of. 13th question, for an n-channel JFET, maximum transconductance is equal to 5.8 millisiemens and VP is equal to minus 3 volt and VGS is equal to minus 1 volt and find GM. Find GM using GMO, VP and VGS value. A FET consists of source, drain, gate or all the above. Find the answer. High input resistance for a JFET is due to. High input resistance for a JFET is due to. Find the answer from A, B, C, D. 16th question, a FET has a driven current of 4 milliamps if IDSS is equal to 8 milliamps and VGS off is equal to minus 6 volt. Find VP. 17th question, when a reverse gate voltage of 12 volt is applied to JFET, the gate current is 1 nanoamps. Determine the resistance between gate and source. 18th question, when a reverse gate voltage of JFET changes from 4 to 3.9 volt, the drain current from 1.3 to 1.6 milliamps, find GM. 19th question, JFET can operate in depletion mode only, enhancement mode only, depletion and enhancement mode only, none of these modes. Find the correct one. And final question, JFET is a what kind of device? Find the correct answer from A, B, C, D.